What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video. The topic of today's video is the Bitcoin halving 2020, guys. Bitcoin price could reach 27,000 in 180 days, and the halving is just 100 days away, guys. As you see the article, Tom Lee is a person who always gives positive price predictions, and they're normally right when it comes to Bitcoin. But now there's a bunch of others claiming that Bitcoin halving might not be good for Bitcoin's price. He thinks that the technical analysis as well as the core principles of Bitcoin show that price should go up, and high agency gains up 193%, guys. How many days left? 100 days, guys. The price may go up about basically just because of the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin's price may pump. Bitcoin's halving analysis, guys. He's basically saying, I just like to basically just I know I just keep repeating myself, but I like to just summarize instead of just reading word for word. But really, all he's saying is Bitcoin's price could hit 27,000 in basically 3 months, right? And then he's saying in 100 days left, we could definitely see double or triple BTC. And normally, every single time there's a halving, there's normally 5 to 10 times return on Bitcoin. We have a couple articles as well. Today, interest in forthcoming Bitcoin halving keeps growth at rapid pace. Google Trends, guys. As you see, Google what they search. People now searching for Bitcoin halving 1,200% more frequently than in 2016. And this is what I always say in my videos, right? This type of support, this type of mass adoption is definitely not usual. It's the biggest it's ever been. Every single time there's a low that back in the day would have taken weeks or maybe a month, maybe like 4 or 5 days. All the lows are being bought up within 24 hours. Normally within 1 day. If 1 day we have red, by the next day it's already all bought up and we're back in green, which is crazy, guys. A lot of people are searching. As you see, look over here. Look at this, and then bam, more people are searching for it. Look at this. A bunch of people in other countries, primarily second and third world countries that they weren't before, are now searching at it. The most curious Bitcoiners live in Slovenia and a bunch of other stuff. Even in my analytics, I see other second and third world countries, mainly the US. But now, before it wasn't any of my videos, but people that are worried about their country's currency are searching more about Bitcoin and getting to know about blockchain, and then obviously the halving and miners. And then we have this one as well. Portfolios with Bitcoin allocation outperforms traditional investment. As you know, millennials, they definitely love their Bitcoin. They love their crypto, and they've definitely been investing their retirement, treating Bitcoin as you should, as gold, as a commodity, as a long-term hold in their in their retirement, and long-term 10, 20, multiple decades out. And it's outperforming everything, guys. Bitcoin is the best investment vehicle of the decade, and it's only just getting started. I think Bitcoin 25K, Bitcoin 50K, Bitcoin 100K, it's all very possible. A lot of millennials and just young people in general, they know the power, they know the purpose, they know the frequency, what they could use, what Bitcoin is good for. Bitcoin is uncontrolled, unmanipulated, unfabricated wealth. You can't just make more countries. Like a perfect example, other countries like the US or other second and third world countries, their money, their fiat, right? It could definitely depreciate, and it just does, just in terms of buying power. Every 10 years, minimum wage goes up, and the amount of stuff you could buy with your dollar or your pound or whatever country you are, it diminishes, and it definitely does go down, guys. Think about the amount of gas, or the amount of food, or the amount of anything that you could have bought 10 years ago, or even the 90s or the 80s. You could buy substantially less. Think about minimum wage, what it was 10, 20, 30 years ago. Think about where it's now. The US dollar, as well as other countries' currency, is definitely depreciating, and because of inflation, it is definitely causing a substantial loss in the amount of buying power and the amount of stuff you could buy with your country's currency, especially these second and third world countries where it's just, 100%. They lost like 50% or 100% or all their money in terms of like their country's currency. They could actually look for Bitcoin as a safe haven because it's not controlled, it's not manipulated. You can't just print more Bitcoin. There's a circulating supply, and the halving goes down every 4 years. And by all the charts, any way you want to look at it, any kind of indicators, any kind of volume, SMA, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci retracement, any way you look at it, guys, it is looking more and more volume, more and more mass adoption, guys. There's a lot more people searching about, more people learning about blockchain, about Bitcoin, about altcoins. Just look at the Google, right? Just look at Google right here. Just look at Google Trends. You can see what Google searches. It's going up by the month, and especially with the FOMO of the price going up like crazy, like it did before, more and more people. People lost money and just ended up holding, said, "Yo, I'm already down 50, 100%." You think those people aren't just going to keep accumulating, adding more? Come on, guys. There's people that already are still in it, that are still familiar with Bitcoin. They know what it did, and when we start repeating those again in another halving, and just going to price, the thing is just going to continue, just over and over, just rinse and repeat. Every 4 years is a halving. Every 4 years there's less in supply, and every time it's basic economics, right? Key technical patterns suggest a Bitcoin's bear trend is over. Again, Bitcoin's bear trend is over. Levels to watch for. Again, guys, Bitcoin's firm 2020 uptrend has been done more than just some more money. Bitcoin stabilizes with the mid 9,000, 9,500 and above. As you see, look at these. All you got to do is just draw lines of support. It's basic chart analysis. It's basic investing. And just look at the charts. Look at the formation. Look at the patterns. Look at the indicators. You have the simple moving average. You have the volume. You have the Bollinger Band. You have the Fibonacci retracement. You have so many. You have the cup and handle. You have the U. You have the ascending triangle. You have the bear flag. There's so many. The bull flag. There's so many different things, like higher lows. There's so many things you could use when it comes to investing in Bitcoin and trading cryptocurrencies in general that just help out. Also, if we look every day, look, 2 days ago, it was going massively green. Then yesterday we had red, and then we had another green, and then what? Red. This is how you build higher lows. This is normal. You're never going to see Bitcoin or any kind of investment vehicle just go up like crazy for a month and never go down. That's not realistic. That's being manipulated, and that's unsustainable. You want long-term, slowly uphill battle, a trend, right? You want to build a higher low. You want to build trend. You want to build people buying up the lows, the higher lows, the red. Having a green day and then a red day, as long as it went up more in 2 or 3 days or in a week cycle, it's good, guys. This is normal. Don't get scared. Don't sell. This is what's supposed to happen. If you're new to trading or investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies, I've been in crypto since 2016, before the run, a year before the run, and I've actually been investing stocks for a decade. So if you're not familiar with my channel, guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe. I post minimum 1 day, as you see right here, daily videos, minimum 1 video a day. I try to aim for 2 videos on average. That's my goal. That's what I try to do. As you see, it's my second video today, 2 videos yesterday, 2 videos. You get the point. 3 videos actually. 2 videos. As you see, my goal is to aim for 2 videos every single day, but minimum 1 video daily updates. It's every day, bro. We post a video, minimum 1 to 2 every single day. If you like cryptocurrency videos, check out my playlist. All these videos are very informative and they're very nice set up. They have between 500 and 1,000 views each, and they just have good information that you should learn, especially if you're in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, if you're new to the market. And also, if you're interested in day trading stocks, I have penny stocks, have options, guys, literally live day trades where I show you how I trade, show you making money live. As well, please hit that like, please hit that subscribe. I appreciate all the support. Comment, post something positive in the comments. My favorite part. I do this for fun. I don't do this for money. I do this to spread Bitcoin and crypto mass adoption. Creating content is a hobby. I love it. I appreciate all the positivity, all the likes, all the comments, all the Twitter DMs, all the Twitter at me when you tweet me. I love all of it, guys. Thank you so much. Peace.